visit you. I don't know if I love you. I don't know if I hate you. Baby, it's time to.
I was actually, waiting to film this video since forever now because I've been eyeing on these pieces since the past 4 to 5 months. These products were on my wish list since a long time and I was in a dilemma कि खरीदूँ या नहीं because थोड़ा budget and expenses का problem आ जाती है बीच में. But you guys can help me out by subscribing to my channel down below. And the reason because of which I picked up these clothing items because Myntra was having a huge sale going on from 3rd to 8th of July and they were giving crazy discounts on their best selling brands, so I had to get them. And also I'm in love with all of the pieces that I got. No regrets, nothing. All are my absolute favorites, and the pieces I picked up are actually very trendy pieces and I am in love. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. But before we start, if you're first time just popping out on my channel, then hi, my name is Sia and I mostly make lifestyle related content, sometimes fashion and makeup also on my channel. So if you're interested, you can hit the red subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. So now without any further ado, let's actually dive right into the haul. So let's start with this one. So first I got these white colored pants. I got these pants from Sassafras. थोड़ा messed up हो गया है क्योंकि because I was wearing it and I was trying to create different outfits with this. Yes, I got this from Sassafras and I have been eyeing on, especially ये इसमें ना मैं बहुत time से I was eyeing on this pant कि मेरे को ये खरीदना है and ये मैं अपना wish list में भी save करके रखी थी Amazon में, Flipkart में, हर जगह पे जहाँ पे ये पैंट मेरे को दिख रहा था. कभी ऑफर्स मिल रहा था एंड कभी ऑफर्स नहीं मिल रहा था इस पैंट में. एंड फाइनली मिंत्रा सेल में आई गॉट इट इन अ more than 50%, like 60% डिस्काउंट में कोई पैंट मिल गया. एंड दिस इज सच अ वर्सेटाइल कलर, like white is such a versatile color and I am so into flare denims and I had to get one in white because yeah, it's a neutral color and a neutral trendy denim should be in my wardrobe. I had to get them, so I absolutely love it. The fabric is so soft and it fits me perfectly around my waist. थोड़ा एक इलास्टिक दी हुई है पीछे, यहाँ पे पीछे एक इलास्टिक दी हुई है because of which it is stretchable and the material is a bit transparent, so be careful with your undies. Try to wear neutral ones. So yeah, that's that. And इसका original like MRP है 1699 and I got it in the size medium and I had to pay just 630 rupees or something. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. So I absolutely love this one. No regrets, nothing. Absolutely love. And this is a high-waisted flare denims. The material is a pure cotton. I feel पूरा heavy वो thick denim material नहीं है, बहुत soft है. मैं इतना पहना है, just थोड़ा डर है क्योंकि ये white है, मैं stain ना कर दूँ because white is such a sensitive color कि बहुत डर लगता है कि कहीं कुछ गिरा ना दूँ मैं. Next I got these pants, one in yellow and one in pink. ये भी Sassafras का है and Sassafras is such a nice brand. आपको Sassafras में बहुत trendy jeans मिलेंगे and I absolutely love it. Tops भी trendy मिल जाएंगे, like the tops you see on Instagram, 1 out of 10 posts में आपको तो वैसा tops and ऐसा jeans तो दिखेंगे ही. मैंने दोनों कलर में लिए हैं, one in yellow and one in pink. एंड ये जो येलो कलर है ना, इट्स सच अ प्रिटी कलर. वेबसाइट में ये येलो कलर थोड़ा और लाइट दिखाया था बट इन रियल लाइफ इट्स अ बिट डार्क, बट फिर भी ठीक है, उतना भी बहुत वाइब्रेंट येलो नहीं है, चल जाएगा, अच्छा है. आई लव द फैब्रिक, लव द क्वालिटी एंड इसका मटेरियल ना बहुत थिक डेनिम मटेरियल जैसा है वाइट वाला का. एंड इसका प्राइस में भी डिफरेंस है एंड इसका मटेरियल में भी डिफरेंस है. वाइट कलर का थोड़ा द मटेरियल इज लाइट वेट एंड इसका मटेरियल बहुत हेवी डेनिम जैसा ही फील हो रहा है. Like it's a pure denim material, not a pure denim jeans wala material, like a comfortable denim material. Both are in size medium and I actually love it. मतलब बहुत ही मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद है ये पैंट. The pants doesn't come with any elastic. पीछे कोई elastic वगैरह नहीं है, unlike the white pants. Now these pants fit me perfectly. मेरा size है 30 and relaxed fit denims have become, not only denims, relaxed fit pants have become my absolute favorite and I don't think I'm gonna go back to skinny jeans. Like I am done with skinny jeans. I feel as of now I think I'm done with skinny jeans. Sassafras is such a nice brand. Sassafras, if you're seeing me, then please hire me or sponsor me. Sassafras, please sponsor me. I moving on to this top, which is again, and I promise this is the last from Sassafras. मैंने Sassafras से बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े purchase कर लिया. Okay, I promise this is gonna be the last one from Sassafras. So I have this blue, this is in a pastel blue shade. I absolutely love this shade. I saw the model wearing this top with those yellow pants and instantly I fell in love. मेरे को इतना पसंद आ गया कि I had to get this one. Now Sassafras, please sponsor me by now. अब तो sponsor कर ही लो. Okay, so ये top ना, it's a normal regular blue crop top with this tie-up detailing and these tie-ups are my favorites. मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे crop tops हो गए ऐसे tie-ups में and I absolutely love them. I cannot get enough. अभी के लिए तो ये बहुत मेरे को पसंद आ रहे, पता नहीं कब मन बदल जाएगा and I will not like them anymore. I think I paid 489 rupees for that one. Next I have this is the last piece, like last clothing item that I got from Myntra sale, which is a pink fitted crop top from the brand called Tokyo Talkies. This brand, that is Tokyo Talkies, have also got some amazing pieces to shop from, and this is such a pretty top. And also this brand has also got some amazing pieces to shop from, and one of them happens to be this pink crop top. इसका neck ना थोड़ा high neck है and this is such a vibrant color. The material is also woven, knitted या woven, I don't know. It's woven I guess, and it's a cotton blend. It feels so comfy. The material is so soft. This top is not transparent at all. It's not see-through. बहुत ही प्यारा सा color है. Like I absolutely love this one. And you can create such a cute monochromatic look with those pink pants. I think yellow pants के साथ भी ये अच्छा लगेगा. And this time I shopped very smartly. मैंने ये सारे outfits खरीदने से पहले मैंने decide कर रखे थे कि इसके साथ ये पहनूंगी, इसके साथ ये pair up हो जाएगा. It will look nice with that shoe. Okay, so ऐसे मैंने शॉप करे थे जो कि मैं पहले नहीं करती थी. So मेरे पास कपड़े ही नहीं होते थे पहनने के लिए. But this time I shopped very smartly and I have these pieces and I am actually in love with all of these pieces. Like मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही पसंद है हर एक outfits. No regrets for anything. Okay, next I have the pair of heels. देख रहे हो आप? एक मिनट. देख रहे हो? So this is from the brand called Vishod. And this brand has got some amazing collection. Intentionally I picked this one out because it would go so well with those outfits. ये जो blue color का जो pastel top है ना, उसके साथ वो yellow pants and these heels would look so nice together. That's why I told you कि इस बार मैं थोड़ा smartly shop करे है. And also I love this transparent thing going on. Looks so fancy, so classy, and it's such a nice pastel blue color. I absolutely love this one. And actually that brand has got some amazing trendy shoes like heels. बहुत ही colorful pastel heels मिलेंगे. If you ask me to pick one favorite clothing item or one favorite item that I shopped from Myntra from the entire collection, I will not be able to pick one because सारे outfits मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And इस बार मैं शॉप करके कोई भी मेरे को regret नहीं हो रहा है कि ये मैंने क्यों खरीदा. Maybe it would have been better if I would have bought something else. ऐसा मेरे को बिल्कुल feel नहीं हो रही. I absolutely love every outfits that I got from Myntra. And अभी भी sale चल रहा है. Sale in the sense अभी भी discounts है. And ये yellow pants अभी out of stock है. ये heels out of stock है. And ये pink pants भी out of stock है. मतलब most of the items were out of stock. मैं बहुत I am glad that I could get my hands on them. But अभी I don't think you will be able to shop all of these. फिर भी मैं link कर दूँगी, आप notification on करके रखना. If you love any of these pieces, मैं सारा pieces का link description box में दे दूँगी. Product code भी दे दूँगी. So I got these sneakers from Roadster and मेरा size है 39. Look at that, such a nice pair of sneakers. ये भी मेरे को बहुत ऑफर में मिला. I think I had to pay 700 rupees for these sneakers. Actually Roadstar का sneakers बहुत महंगे हैं. So if you love this haul video, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. If you want me to come up with more haul videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your shopaholic friends who would love to watch haul videos ऐसा like this one. And I will see you on my next one. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए wait करो. And I can't wait to style them and create some amazing content for you guys. Till then, bye bye.
You